How about something a little more organic? Let's do a cold start on the NAA. Check the fuel. Fuel's on. Oh, we got a doggy. We got a doggy visiting us. Got water in all four wheels. Factory installed wheel weights. Cast in Fresno. I need to clean up the electrical some more. I was fighting some electrical issues. So that was just a quick thing to make sure I didn't have a problem there. Upgraded hydraulic pump from an early Ford 4000. That is what happens when you leave the tractor in a field where there are horses. But that's okay. I'm going to upgrade to LED lights at some point. Wheel weights in the front, water in the wheels, solid cast front weight, converted 12 volt. Got the Sherman high-low in it. Remote hydraulics. Now, let's see what it sounds like here. Let's try it no choke. It's set for a few days. It's been getting coldish for the end of May in California. It was 41 this morning. We're in the mid-50s right now. Look at that, no choke. For about a 72-year-old tractor. Turn the fuel off, run it out of the carb here since we got the California ethanol gas.